Hello everybody, welcome to another Tech Matters video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to create something like this. So without further ado, let's get started. Open up your document, create a document with the width of 512 by 512 pixels, and make sure that it's in pixels, not inches, and the resolution of 72, color mode RGB 8 bytes with the background white, and go ahead and create your document. There we go, we have our document. First things first, open up your background, unlock it, go to the Repticle tool and select it and drag, hold and drag until somewhere there. You left click, you copy the layer. There we go, we have two. Now fill in with the blue. Just press control delete. We have the blue there. Next thing, yeah, that looks nice. We have to put our text in there now. Click on the text. Then we are going to use the font Married Variable Concept. It should be in bold and 100 points. With the way of strong and the color, which is light blue, left alignment. So let's go ahead and type PS, which is Photoshop, as we know. I'm loving it. Okay, so now, okay, I have all the layers selected and I'm trying to place it in the center. There we go, that looks nice. Yeah. So the next thing is we are going to work on the layer style, and one thing we're going to do is add a drop shadow with the distance of 15 and the angle 100. Yeah. And on the split, saving and the size to, you can mess around with the setting on the layer style and get to put what best suits your, what you see best to fit according to your image and stuff like that. But for me, I'm gonna use the settings. Let me check this out, how this look. Inner glow. Can even add inner glow just to add that spicy, why am I even saying spicy, that good look. Okay, let's pick this color. Oh, I like the way the edges are glowing, but can increase the opacity a little bit, just like that, and make sure it's edge. Okay, in the size I'm gonna put it there. Okay, this looks great already. Blending option, now we deal with this, what's this, deal with the circle. We add the little blue on the edges, but this looks right already. Yeah, that's the feel that I want. This looks good. So only adjust stroke in the draw. I'm gonna pick that color there, the blue. Click OK. This looks good. And the size. Lastly, we are going to hide the stroke and we're done. This will only be a PHD file when you hide the background layer so that it's transparent when placed on any image. And we're done. If you have liked the video, please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and see you next time. Thank you. This is good. This is good. This is awesome.